G'day, I'm Helen, an Australian chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty Cobb Loaf Dip. First step, let's cut the top off, but instead of using the knife I'm using, use a serrated knife, much easier. Now let's remove all that soft dough inside. I'm not going to use a knife, let's just use our hands. Put the empty cob on a lined baking tray. Now cut up all the extra dough, including the top of the cob, into small dice pieces. Once again, use a serrated knife, much easier, and place it all on the tray around the cob. Set aside the tray for a moment. Place the cream cheese in a food processor and beat for a few moments. Add the bacon, add the spring onions and the sour cream and beat until combined. Add the grated cheese and mix again. Now put the filling into the cob loaf. Smooth it out and place a piece of baking paper on the top. Bake in the oven for approximately 35 minutes at 180 degrees. Now the cob loaf is ready to be served.